Good morning, friends. Okay, so I'm getting ready to make my coffee this morning. I think today, this is my coffee basket. I think today we're going to go with caramel. And now it's getting ready to brew. Okay, now that my caramel coffee is done brewing, we're going to get to making some iced coffee. So today I am going to bringing out some different ones today. I am going to do my iced cinnamon roll syrup with my macadamia nut. Sounds good to me. But first, of course, I'm going to do some swirling of the caramel sauce into my glass. And then I'm going to do some iced cinnamon roll. And some macadamia nut. And grab my coffee. And my heavy cream. See, this morning you see all the swirls. At least on this side. Alright, and then my salted caramel pink Himalayan salt. That's a good combo. Have a good day, everybody.